All right, I bought these E7 active noise canceling headphones on Amazon for 26 bucks. So we're going to try them out, see if they're any good. Let's check this whole thing out. We're going to open them up. Here it is, active noise canceling headphones, noise canceling. It's got some things there. But basically, that's them right there. Bam, done. Put the box there. Pretty simple. There they are. Flip them over. You may have to pull some of this stuff off. But you know what? For $26, these look pretty darn nice. Get a user's manual with them. It's got a USB-C plug, and you get your speaker plugs. So this will plug in regular USB, and this is USB-C. So that should work. Now we just got to figure out how to use these bad boys. All right, so hey, let's take a look and see how they feel on your ears. Wow, I cannot hear anything. Those are definitely noise cancellation headphones. They cancel out the noise. I can hear, can't hear. And what's nice about this is these two little doohickeys right there, they fit over yours. And look how they are. They're not round, they're cut out just like your ear is. And they're about the same size. So your ear fits in there so it's not crushing your ear, which is good. I'm kind of excited about that. Let's see if it's a little tight here. So let's see if this, okay, so it does, it slides out, right? So let's go ahead. So there, so you can make it a little bit better that way. And that's pretty much it. Now we just got to charge these bad boys up, which it's got the USB-C charging port here. We're going to use this cord. Well, I got a bunch of USB-C cords, so it doesn't matter. So I'm going to go ahead and just charge this, and then we'll try a listen on it and see if we like it. All right, so as you can see, it does have a USB-C here. We're going to take our USB-C cord here, which I have plugged in to a power source. You can have it on your computer, or you could have it on a power block. We're just going to plug it in. And you can see right now that red light's on. That means it's charging. We're just going to let these sit here and charge, and we'll come back in a couple hours, and we'll try them out and see if we like them.